Here with another look at Kaspa, and we have the soothing sound of rain in the background. It's I apologize about that, but it never fails every single time. Either dog outside, neighbor's dog across the creek, or Harley going by. There's always something going on in my video, so I apologize, but I do the best I can here, guys. We're gonna take a look here. Boy oh boy, these are just getting the prices that are unbelievable. I look at it, these are sales, okay? These are your bull run sales, and I know what's going on here. I'm going to show you the wallets. People are selling and trying to get back in, because if you're down 45% in your wallet, that can definitely hurt. That stings, but you're gonna have to deal with that in a bull run. I mean, that's just the way it goes. You got your ups and downs, and the downs can be tough, no question about it. All right, you can see here, maybe this is something building up in here. We're gonna take a look here, and we're gonna see if that's a possibility. Do some measurements here on this thing and see what's going on, right? Big sale prices out there, though. I just did a members only video. Please go watch that. It's something you might be interested in. I'm not affiliated with it at all. Besides, I own some of it, but could be a huge opportunity, guys. This is through last bull run. I've seen what these cryptos can do. So if you got time, go check it out. It's a members only video. Possible 50, 100x token there. Now with Bitcoin, looks like that ABC is playing out here. Right? It has wicked down today. It's down about over $3,000 here. $3,642. Down 5.84%, all right, had a low of 59,068, all right, getting down there. All right, we have this target down here about 55.6, in that range. If you take a measurement of this, and these don't always play out, but a lot of times these ABCs do. All right, we take a measurement in here. Try to get this as good as we can. All right, there's our 618. Pull it down on top. Right in that area, into 55s. All right, mid 55 level, 55.3, somewhere in the 55s here. It looks like a bottom. All right, I'm gonna move this over here just a little bit. So there we go. And I believe once we hit that, I think this correction will be done. All right, if we take, if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what kind of measurement do we got here? Let's take a fib on here, pull it up, and look at that. They both line up pretty perfect. All right, you take your wave 3 to your wave 4. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right there. Okay, pretty plain as day, working out here. And then you got that ABC inside of it here. All right, so watch for, I'm looking for the 55 area. Could be 50, low 55, mid 55, somewhere in the 55 range. All right, that, as far as Bitcoin goes, that's another, and this isn't financial advice. Who knows? Maybe it'll take off from here and go to 82,000 bucks. Yeah, nobody knows for sure, but this is the best shot I got at it here. I really truly believe it's heading to this area. Now we have the 12-hour is actually bearish, an 18.6 and a 20. Right down here's your numbers. If the blue number is bigger than the orange, you're bearish. Okay, the 8-hour 20 to 49, super bearish, rolling straight over. 4-hour is actually a 10.3 and a 10.6. It's still bearish. And your daily 28 to 36, rolling straight over. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a lot clearer right there, can't you? And if you would, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that very much. We got the weekly almost reset. All right, and our 3-day on Bitcoin is bearish, a 7 to 12, but it's at the bottom. That's the key. All right, and the 5-day is right on the bottom, but still bearish. All right, so we will wait for this to play out. I believe once it gets to this level, you're going to see a huge increase in volume come in here, and we'll see if it gets there. You know, who knows? I have my wrong calls too. Everybody does. You know, if it was that easy to figure out, but that's what it looks like it's playing out. That's what I'm going with. $55,000. Let's head over here to Kaspa. Well, first off, I do want to show you these addresses because we do have some movement going on here. Last 24 hours, we've lost 2 more whales, lost shark. In the last 7 days, we've lost 7 sharks and 4 whales. Minus 2 humpbacks the last 30 days, down to 13 there. Yeah, you're looking for people to probably buy or sell and buy back in lower, which, you know, if it works out for you, that's fantastic, but you really better know what you're doing. All right. You can see here, let's see a lot of major volume, you know, through here as far as sell volume or anything. Most of your buy volume came down here, a lot of it. If we go on a weekly chart, yeah, I don't see a ton of sell volume here. You know, you're going to have your pullbacks. That's just the way it goes. This thing is getting towards a very, very crucial area. Let's go to a monthly, and let's put a fib on here. All right. Geez, where do we go from on here? This is the tough part. Let's go back on a daily so we can get on a wave. Geez, there's so many of them down there. Did you see what I was talking about? It's like, where the heck do you even take it from down there? It's can't take it from here because you're past that now. You know, if you put a fib on here and went up, you know, you're through that 786 area. Okay, so here is where this wave started. That's where we will go with it. That's the start of a wave right here, and see where we're at. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's 618 at, what price is that at? Let's pull this over so we can see. A little bit down. I'm trying to get it the best I can, guys. I apologize. So it's very hard when you got the pressure on you here. All right, 618 is at 0.097. The 702 is at 8.5 cents. And the 786 is at 7.2. But you can see here, you know, if it's going to keep in trend with this line, the meeting point is down here around 8.5. Does that line up with anything here? 8.5. All right. If we zoom in on this chart's a lot cleaner. I have the other chart over there, but I want to clean that up some because we are starting. You know, we're starting a major wedge here. Is what's going on. Look at this thing. All right, you got bottom support down here. It's probably going to come down and touch this area more than likely. Okay, and then you're going to get when this thing blows. Look out. You know, we take a couple of measurements here. You know, right through here, off of here. We have a 618 right there. That's what I'm looking for, an ABC right here. And I'm probably not the only one, okay? We zoom in a little bit. We have a B, right to that 618. Pull it down on top. And look at that. You know, that takes us down to about 9, all right, on here. Now, let's take a look. This is on MEXC. Let's take a look at this other one and see what kind of target it has. Not all these charts. This one here is from Binance, I believe, KuCoin. All right, let's take a look and see what target this one gives. First off, let's get this off here. All right, and right through here. Where is this at? Right here. Okay, we have that 618 right there, pulled down on top, and that goes to about 7.8. All right, that's the difference in these things. You got the 618 hit right here, which could be an A, a B, back up. This one pulls down to 7.8. Let's put a line there. 7.8 on this chart. All right, let's go back over to MEXC's chart. Or this one's Coin Codex, I apologize. Geez, I have 3 Kaspa charts here. 3 or 4. Okay, and here's the other one. All right, this one you have this one a daily A, B up to the 618, pull it down on top, and this one 0.089. See the difference there? 7, 8, 8, 8. I mean, there's a penny difference there. Okay, which I don't particularly care for. All right, that's a big difference. All right, 0.089. And let's click on this other one real quick. This one here was 0.082. You know, this one was on gate. Take a measurement from the top here to the bottom. All right, there's your 618 right on that white line. Pull it down on top. And look at that. That one goes to about 8.2. All right, so you got 8.2. This one here. This one here came down to 8.9. All right, so you're looking anywhere from 8 to 9 cents if this completes out. No matter what, it depends on what chart you're using. All right, that's going to bring it right to this lower end down here. All right, does that you know, that could also be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if a 5 wave would line up with this thing. Okay, 8, 9. Let's put a line there. Let's get this off of here. If this is a 5th wave. All right, you take your 3 low to your 4. Yeah, don't look too bad, huh? 8, 7, 8, 9. That looks like a pretty decent area. If you get a chance to get Kaspa down around these levels, you know, that's a heck of a buy. All right, if you come out here on a weekly chart, you know, and that would put it down towards that trend line, correct? You know, get a full reset on the RSIs, and this would be from the top down to there. You're looking at half off Kaspa. You know, so just say you have, you know, $1,000 wallet, okay, just for it to get back up here to the top where it was is going to give you $1,500. All right, you're going to get 50% gains just for it to get back up to where it was. So 50% off. Man, huge sale out there going on with everything. If that pulls it down to there, where is that on a fib? Okay, let's take a look. Just see if things line up here. Okay, we're going to go from that wave there. Right about there. Pull it up. Boy, look at that, right around the 702. All right, so things are lining up there. We have the weekly RSI just about reset. It's at a 0 and a 1. It's still a little bearish. You have your daily RSI 35 and a 33. Okay, you have your daily is actually turned bullish here. It's probably going to roll back over. The 12-hour. You know, you want to get this done as quick as possible. It's bearish at 28 and a 31. You're going to get bounces the whole way down through here. Okay, this is at wave 3. You know, unless it breaks out of this resistance line, that's the only thing that would convince me that any kind of correction's over. It doesn't have a ton left to come down. You know, if it does, if it even comes down here, all right, who knows? Maybe it won't. That's another 18% down. Okay, so if Bitcoin finishes that and heads down into the 55s, that's going to pull everything else down, obviously. So keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on Kaspa. That's a big sale. You're probably going to see volume really spike up once it gets down towards these levels. I mean, heck, if you can get Kaspa for 8 to 9 cents down here, that's a pretty good buy. All right, no guarantees. You know, I got burned on this before trying this. You know, so just be super careful. Excuse me. This major area that's going to give a sign that it's heading down there. If you come on a weekly here, all right, and look at this support area. Excuse me. I would say a break at 10 cents, and it's a pretty much you know, nothing's a guarantee, but if it takes out this weekly support here, that's the last line of defense. Oh, look at that. I didn't even see that this support down here comes across there. That line's right up with what we're doing too. Look at this. Right through there. right there. I just hit it. Look at that. So keep an eye on that area, guys. There's a lot of stuff lining up and pointing that way. But once we get a bottom in here, man, oh man, look out. This is on a weekly. Look how many weeks we have been held down. When this finally breaks, it's going to tear. All right, the first target for this thing, if you know, when we get this, when we get this break, I'm sure we will. You know, bring it down here. First target's going to be up at 15. You know, up 15 to 16 cents. And then after that, up to that 25 that we've been looking for. Look, it gives us that's what we're looking for. That's perfect. So maybe this all plays out. Everything's heading that way. Have a great day, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Go watch that members video. If you're interested in becoming a member, guys, level 3, $14.99. Come join us. Get you in Discord. Get you a bunch of videos. Teach you how to trade. Would love to have you. We have over 200 members in there. Almost 5,000 subs. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. I'll talk to you soon.